Here's our table saw model R4514. It is a heavy duty 10-inch Jobsite table saw with stand. It's not out of the box yet, just got it. The reason that we're going with the Ridgid stuff is they claim to have a lifetime service agreement, free parts and service for life. And you just got to register it. The blade will stop in 4 seconds after hitting the button, and it stays on the stand and can flip up to roll around and just pops right up to use. Check this out here. Big box, and it's heavy. One of the other things that's nice is it's supposed to have an onboard storage system. So push stick, these are parts of the stand, instruction booklets, tool holders, anti-kickback devices. That's what this guy is here. These are the wheels. And so I will get this all out and start setting it up and kind of show you what it takes. All right, here's the bottom of the saw. That's after taking out the top piece there. And it's actually packaged extremely well. Not very many pieces, got some wheels over there. This is all part of the stand. And the anti-kickback devices, miter gauge, and all the nuts and bolts. In order to put this together, it comes with the Allen wrenches, and you need a 13 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and a 15 millimeter. Okay. Install the large washer on the wheel, then a small washer, and the lock nut. It is a 13 millimeter. Just tighten them down. Okay. Then you take and line up number 3 and number 3. Use the big washer. Slide the bolt through and put the nut on it. Same over here. Number 4, large spacer, and the bolt and lock nut. All right. Then what you do is line up. This says number 1, small spacer, put it through. Number 5, small spacer, put it through. Number 6, and number 2. Took a little bit of a balancing act to get it on there. Just kind of moved around, open it up. It goes in pretty nice when it's on. Next step, I'm going to be taking these feet and installing them in that hole on the other side of the wheel there. All right, 15 millimeter. It comes with the Allen wrench. You go the bolt and the spacer and the foot through, bolt it up, tighten them up. All right, this guy here, twist it to unlock it. Sorry about that. There, right there. That's how that comes out. This guy here, make sure you turn this to unlock. Make sure you lock it so it doesn't turn down on you. On this side, little nut has your blade change tools. Down in there is where the fork goes, and that's a nut. We use Diablo blades. They work extremely well. All right. Anytime I'm done, I always retract my blade fully. Even if I think I'm coming right back out, I just don't want to take a chance of somebody accidentally getting their hand on it. So one of the things that I absolutely love, and it made me decide on this table. Have your ruler here. It's actually metal. It's like a real tape measure. And it comes out 16. You pull this up. You unlock your fence. And the tape measure retracts in and back. Once you get it all the way out where you want it, lock that. This guy. It does a 30-inch cut. I don't think I've ever seen a Jobsite table saw do that. And pretty easy to roll around. All right, we'll get her plugged in. Listen to what she sounds like. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hit the power button. I really like the power button. We'll flip up here. Right before I do that, I want to show you it has onboard storage for the push stick. I got the cord running under there to get it plugged in, but onboard storage for the miter gauge, and right back here you can put the fence back here. Dust collector, the whole thing is completely encased in there, so dust is going to shoot out of here. But and this, oh, there we go. There's instructions right there. This is for the anti-kickback stuff, and again, your blade changing tool. All right, listen to this guy. When you kick it on, it's meant to start slow, so let it kick all the way up. It is made to where all the power shuts off to the blade and it kicks it down. It's supposed to stop in 4 seconds or less. Yeah, we'll give it some use here. And oh, the other thing, real quick, this actually feels, right now it feels really nice. Slides right across. So we'll give it a couple uses. We're gonna make some shelves out of a 4x8 sheet of melamine, and we'll report back.